Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make fried king crab legs injected with Cajun butter, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing the king crab legs. Remove the knuckle from the leg. Using scissors, cut the shell open while making sure not to cut the crab leg meat. Once you've cut it, pull back the shell and break it off. Be careful not to remove the crab leg meat from the other pieces of the leg, we are only removing the shell. Next, remove the fat by gently rubbing it off. When you're finished, give it a quick rinse and then repeat this process with the rest of your crab legs. When you're finished, your crab legs should look like this. Once you have finished preparing your king crab, set them to the side. Next, in a dish, add 1.5 cups of flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, take half a cup of your flour mixture and pour it in a bowl. Then add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and 3/4 cup of sparkling water. Mix everything together until well combined, and when you're finished, the consistency should look like this. If it's too thick, add more sparkling water, and if it's too runny, add more flour. Now that everything has been prepared, we can begin coating the king crab legs. Coat the king crab leg meat in the batter. And then coat it in the flour. Once coated in the flour, coat again in the batter. And then coat it one more time in the flour. Repeat this process with the rest of your crab legs. By the way, when you're coating the king crab leg in the batter, make sure to let the excess batter drip off and then place it in the flour. Also, the reason we're double coating the king crab leg is so that it has a thick crust, so when we inject it, the butter won't easily leak out. Once you have finished coating your crab legs, you can begin frying them. Fill a pot or deep fryer with vegetable oil and heat it up to around 350 degrees. Fry your king crab leg for around 3 to 5 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Once you have finished frying your king crab leg, take it out and place it on a wire rack. Repeat this process with the rest of your king crab legs. Once you finish frying your king crab, set them to the side. Next, we're going to prepare the Cajun butter that we're going to inject into our fried king crab legs. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of butter. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of Creole seasoning. Mix everything together and then give your butter a taste and see if it needs more seasoning. Next, pour the butter into a meat injector. When you're finished, you can now inject the butter into your fried king crab leg. Stick the injector in the middle of the king crab leg and then inject the butter while slowly pulling it out. The amount of butter you inject into the king crab is up to you. Repeat this process with the rest of your fried king crab legs. When you're finished, you can go ahead and plate everything up. And this is the finished result. These king crab legs were really good. They were buttery and well seasoned. This recipe was inspired by Kimmy's creation. I saw her make fried king crab injected with Cajun butter on TikTok and I just had to try it. She has a lot of good recipes, so if you want to check her out, I'll have a link to her TikTok in the description below. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!